Simplify the following complex fraction. So in the numerator we have x plus 1 minus 4 over x minus 2 all over x minus 4 minus 24 over x minus 2. So now what we have to do, the first thing we have to do is to multiply the top and the bottom of the equation by the LCD of all of the denominators. So since the only denominator we're looking at is x minus 2, then the LCD of x minus 2, or the LCM of x minus 2, is just x minus 2. So we want to multiply the top and the bottom of the equation by the LCD. So doing that, I'm just going to distribute x minus 2 into each of these terms without simplifying, because I'll do that later. So this becomes x times x minus 2 plus 1 times x minus 2 minus 4 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. And that's all over x times x minus 2 minus 4 times x minus 2, and then negative 24 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. So now let's simplify. I'm going to distribute the x into this difference, and so we end up getting x squared minus 2x plus 1 times x minus 2 is just x minus 2. And then finally, here, there's an x minus 2 on the numerator and the denominator, so this just simplifies to 4. And then for the bottom, distributing the x into this difference, we get x squared minus 2x. And then distributing the whole negative 4 into here, we get negative 4x plus 8. And then finally, like in the numerator, the x minus 2 in the last part, in the numerator and the denominator of the last term, cancel out, so we're just left with minus 24. So let's combine like terms. There's a minus 2x and a plus x here, and a minus 2 and a minus 4 here. So the numerator becomes x squared minus x minus 6. Excuse me. I confuse subtraction with multiplication. And then in the denominator, we have a minus 2x minus 4x, and then we have a positive 8 and a minus 24. So we end up getting x squared minus, I was going to write 8 again, minus 6x minus 8 minus 24 is 16, right? Yes, it's 16. So now we reduce further by factoring out the numerator and the denominator. So x squared minus x minus 6 factors into x minus 3x plus 2, right? Yeah, because negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So then the denominator becomes x minus 8 times x plus 2. And remember, whenever you're not 100% sure, what you can do is just FOIL the result. FOIL your guess, basically, to see if we get the same thing. So we got x squared minus 8x plus 2x minus 16, which turns into x squared minus 6x minus 16. So there we go. So we got that right. And now there's an x plus 2 in the numerator and the denominator. So we can cancel those out, and then what we're left with is x minus 3 over x minus 8. And since there's nothing else to do, then this is the final answer.